my team. My name is Nandra Chandra Anarkya.
My name is Tisha Batisya. My name is Naila Ramadhani. My name is Salma Karima Mumtaz.
And I am Muhammad Afa Artani.
We are from MTS and 1 Yogyakarta.
My team research title is IOT based river water quality monitoring using pH sensor and TDS sensor. Water component is a substance that is very important for the survival of humans and all living things. Water is widely used for various daily needs such as cooking, washing, bathing, consumption, and water is also used for irrigation of agricultural land. One of the sources of water used in daily life comes from rivers. River water gets disturbed from every flow, but from household pollution, factories, and others. It is dangerous for health if we use river water which gets high level of pollution. In some areas that are classified as still beautiful, the water flowing in the river is still very clear and maybe not much polluted. But for now, it is quite difficult to find river water with good water quality and suitable for consumption.
This study aims to create a tool that can measure the level of water pollution in the river based on the level of pH and turbidity.
Monitoring is carried out remotely using the Internet of Things, which is sending data from the pH and TDS sensor reading to a web server, then the reading result can be accessed on the Android application.
The components used in the manufacture of this tool are Arduino Nano, pH sensor, TDS sensor, LCD, and Wi-Fi. ESP8266. The web server uses ThinkSpeak. The Android application is made using MIT App Inventor.
Based on this result of the tool, it can be concluded that this tool can provide information on the pH value and turbidity of river water through the LCD, and these values can be sent to the web server. The pH value and water turbidity can be monitored online through the Android application.
This is the Android application.
Thank you for watching our